You can add an account member by sending them an invitation. To start, log into your Poly Lens administrator account at support.hp.com/s-n/poly. Go to the account icon, then Manage Accounts. Select your account from the list. Select Account Members from the side tab. Click Add New. Enter the email address of the individual to invite. Select the role to assign to the new member, such as admin, device manager, or guest. An admin has full access to the account, including the ability to invite and adjust roles of other account members. A device manager has full access to all device management-based features, such as device settings, device actions, device software updates, device policies, and site management. Guests have read-only access to general areas like inventory and insights. Click Add. A confirmation message appears at the top of the page. You can view invites that have not accepted yet by selecting Pending. The invitee must open the invitation and click Join Now to accept the invitation to your Poly Lens account. If they have an existing Poly Lens account, they sign in. Otherwise, they go to the Sign Up tab to create a free Poly Lens account. When the Welcome to Poly Lens message appears, the invitee clicks the Let's Get Started link. Poly Lens will open in the account that invited them. Once the invite is accepted, the invitee will appear in the list of confirmed members.